Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That is the 1st of June 2018 at 8 PM British summertime. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. So as I usually do, I'm going to share with you the new products. So first of all, starting off with the smaller sets, this is the Cooling Off stamp set. Really adorable set, as you can see. So you've got these cute little hippos. You've got one with a lolly or an ice lolly. You've got one with a ice cream and then one drinking a drink. Really, really cute. You've got the sprinkles that you could add on to the ice cream or the cherry or the strawberry. And then you've got a hat there as well, which you could add on to one of the hippos. Just so cute. And then you've got the sentiments here. You've got You're So and Cool. So you could mix and match if you want a different sentiment with the cool, or you can obviously add it with the You're So as well. And there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. This is the card that I made using that set. I originally was just going to do the one hippo, but they're just so adorable that I had to use all three on a card. So I coloured them with some Copic markers, and then the sentiment I stamped together there and just did a little bit of ink blending in the background. Next up is the Happy Hibiscus stamp set. Really pretty set, as you can see. So you've got this sort of cluster of hibiscus here with the leaves, and then you've got a separate hibiscus and also a leaf there as well. You've got the sentiments, wishing you happiness, Mr. and Mrs. and be happy. I think this would work with loads of different occasions, probably really nice for wedding cards and things like that, but all year round, I believe. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. So this is the card that I made using that set. Stamped out the cluster at the bottom and then stamped out the separate hibiscus and then masked that off and then stamped out the leaves. I just thought you'd make a really nice birthday card, so I used the sentiment there from the Scrumptious Script stamp set. Just did a bit of Copic colouring on the flowers. Next up, the last of the smaller sets. This is the Mix It Up set. Really great set, as you can see. I think this would be really good for loads of different occasions, like especially the sort of like celebrate cards and things like that. So you've got all of these different drinks, like the one in the pineapple or the coconut. You've got a separate straw there, and also you've got a firework, which would be quite good for sort of like celebration cards. You've got the sentiments, you've got cheers and bottoms up. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. I didn't make a sample for this release, but I'm sure I will soon. Next up, one of the larger sets. This is the That's Genius set. Another great set, as you can see, really cute. So you've got these puppies and the cats reading their books. Really good in particular for students and teachers, but anyone that reads I think would be like really love this set as well. So you've got extra books there, that you've got an apple, you've got pencils and pens and things like that which you can sort of add on. You've got some great sentiments. You've got thank you teacher, you're a genius, good luck in your exams, congratulations you passed, and happy graduation. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. And this is the card that I made using that set. Kept it very simple, just stamped out one of the little puppies with the book, the sentiment there underneath, and then did a bit of ink blending in the background, and then added some crystal glaze onto the glasses, which I just thought are really, really cute. Next up, another one of the larger sets. This is the Pawfect Plushies. Again, an adorable set. So you've got these puppies and the cats there again, or the kittens. I really like the little added stitching detail on these images, and then you've got the ABC there as well. You've got a little ball of wool, sorry. You've got the bone, the little bow and a flower which you could add onto their hair or anything like that, which would be quite cute. Again, some great sentiments. You've got sitting here thinking of you, you're perfect, sending love, new baby, it's twins. I think this would be really good for new baby cards, but also again all year round, just really, really cute set. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. And again, I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to make a sample using this set, but I'm sure I will soon. And the last two sets, the first one here is the Flutter by Me. A really pretty set again. So you've got these butterflies here in the 2 different sizes, and then you've got kind of like a positive and a negative version of them. So this one here will stamp out the actual outline of the butterfly, and then this one here would be the opposite. So you stamp out, which, like if you inked it up with a colour, for example, it would stamp the colour and leave the design of the butterfly as white or whatever colour you stamped onto, which is really nice. And like I said, you've got the 2 different sizes in both of the designs. And then again, some great sentiments. You've got when it's dark, look for stars. Spread your wings and fly, and when it rains, look for rainbows. Really pretty set. And before I get on to the sample that I used it on, I'm just going to share with you the next set because I used this as well. And this is the brushed sentiment set. Really great set. Again, I do apologise, I'm saying that all the time, but they are really great sets. So this is a really nice sentiment set, as you can see, and you've got the dual kind of fonts on these as well, which is really nice. So you've got tons of sentiments for every different occasion that you can think of. So you've got happy birthday, happy new year, happy anniversary, happy Easter, happy Valentine's Day, new baby, with sympathy, happy Father's Day, happy graduation, get well soon, on your wedding day, new home, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, on your christening day, new job, you're engaged, happy Halloween, good luck, season's greetings, happy Mother's Day, and a little note. Really great set. And this is the card that I made using both of those sets. So I stamped out the butterfly with Versamark ink onto some vellum, and then heat embossed that and did fussy cut that out. But again, there are dies that you can purchase, you know, to coordinate with the set. And then did some ink blending on some panels of cardstock. I thought that would look quite nice behind the butterfly. And then the sentiment there from that brushed sentiment set. So that was a look at all of the new release from Clearly Besotted for the month of June. Links to the products will be in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. They will be there already, but they won't work until 8 PM British summer time tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.